On Med School Radio, we're preparing for the USMLE. Hello everyone, today let's think about the process by which glucose enters a pancreatic beta cell in order to promote the release of insulin. How does that happen? What is the mechanism? So first understand that glucose enters the pancreatic beta cell through the GLUT2 receptor, and then with the enzyme glucokinase, glucose 6-phosphate becomes pyruvate and then enters the TCA cycle. Then ATP is produced, and then there is closure of the potassium channel, which then results in an increase in calcium, which then allows insulin to be released outside of the beta cell. And I know that sounds very scary, but it's actually a very simple process, and this is something you would need to know to understand what's happening in gestational diabetes. So when the mother is not producing insulin, why is this happening? So you might be asked a question about some genetic predisposition and what is breaking down in this system. So it could be, for example, a problem with glucokinase. So if that enzyme is deficient, then glucose is going to have a problem right from the beginning coming through that GLUT2 receptor, and nothing's going to happen. That pathway is not going to happen, and insulin is not going to be released in response to glucose. And that is a very simple explanation of what might happen when your patient is genetically disposed to gestational diabetes.